Hello everyone, I am Sindhuja. My topics about FTIR. FTIR means Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometry or spectroscopy. Both same meaning. History. Fourier transform infrared spectrometry is developed in US in 1940. R&D means research and development. Research and development work on organic compound, particularly used in research and development technique, mainly used in field petrochemical field. Japanese instrument is the Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometry manufactured in the 1954. First Institute Research and Development Technique worked in Optics Research Institute, predecessor of JASCO. JASCO means Japan Spectroscopy Company. Introduction of Fourier transform infrared. Fourier transform infrared is an instrument acquired in broadband near infrared or spectra. See this diagram. Fourier transform infrared instrument already fixed in the two mirror. First one scanning mirror, second fixed mirror. Put the inside the sample instrument. Sample move the path 1 reflected in the scanning mirror. Samples reflected in infrared source after the scanning mirror. Scanning mirror or fixed mirror reflected in the beam splitter or light source produced. Principle of Fourier transform infrared. Fourier transform infrared mainly directed in gas absorb infrared radiation, species specific frequency, measurement in broad spectrum, narrow bands of frequency, gas absorption is specifically bond present in the molecule, measurement as wave number over range of 400 to 600 meters. Working of Fourier transform infrared. Fourier transform infrared spectrometry is instrument put inside the sample material placed on instrument produced in infrared beam or light source reflected. Beam transform result in spectra. Spectra means color. Light source reflected in instrument. Mainly directed in analysis can use to identify or quantify materials. See this diagram. Fourier transform infrared spectrometry step 1. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy instrument sample absorption. First one absorption, second one exiting, third one emission. First one absorption is the sample absorbed in the instrument. Next one exiting. Exiting means light source reflected. Third one emission. Emission means beam source side the radiation or reflector. Working of Fourier transform infrared spectrometry. Already we are now interferometer produced in infrared beam source or light source reflected in the sample. Put the sample inside the material placed on instrument produced in sample detector. First one wavelength, second one spectrum. Mainly wavelength observing fast Fourier transform computer or see this. First observing wavelength, second observing spectrum. Fourier transform infrared graphs mainly detected in wavelength of samples or spectrum. Techniques of Fourier transform infrared. ATR means attenuated total reflectance, SR specular reflectance, RE reflection absorption, TR transmission reflectance, PA photoacoustic reflectance. First one ATR attenuated total reflectance means direct examination of solid or liquid samples without further preparation. Specular reflectance, SR the mirror like reflection of light and other kind of waves. Third one reflection absorption when the light gets converted to another form of energy. Next one transmission reflectance. Transmission is the passing the light through a material without being absorbed. Next one photoacoustic reflectance. Light energy is converted into ultrasound energy. Application of Fourier transform infrared. Quality verification of incoming or outgoing materials. Polymer, rubber and other materials. Fourier transform instrument. Mainly two analysis method. TGAIR. Next one GCIR. TGAIR abbreviation in thermogravity Another one gas chromatography infrared. Next one identify contaminate smokestack emission. Thank you all. Like பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.